everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, I'm going to do a Chinese chicken and garlic scape stir fry. I've never had garlic scapes before. I don't know if you have or not. They look like really, really long green beans, but they have a kind of a garlicky, oniony taste. It was really good. It maintained a crispness almost like an asparagus would. And this recipe had a bunch of different ingredients in it. And I would say if you don't have a lot of these ingredients, then honestly it would be just as tasty with just a little bit of coconut aminos and some salt and stir fry the vegetables together and the chicken together. I think it would taste really, really good just like that without doing the sherry and all of that stuff. And a note on the sherry, I did research on this before I used this because I'm pretty intense about my elimination phase and I was really worried about the alcohol in sherry, so I did a bunch of reading to make sure that it was okay. And I referenced Paleo mom Sarah Ballantyne's website just to make sure, because she's kind of the founder of AIP, so I often look to her to see what's okay and what's not okay. And the alcohol does cook off in this, so I did use that instead of like a Shaoxing wine. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but instead of the Chinese cooking rice wine because of the rice. So I tried the sherry. I haven't had any bad reaction to it, and it is approved through Dr. Ballantyne. So, but if you're worried about it at all, just don't use it, guys. Like, just do it really, do the garlic scapes, do the carrot, do the ginger, do the chicken, and just use a little bit of chicken broth or use a little bit of coconut amino and just call it a day, and it's lovely and it's delicious, really simply done like that. If you want to expand out, if you have dry sherry and are able to use it or want to use it up, this might be a good application for it. So all that to say, I hope you like this one as much as we do, and let's just get cooking. Hi everyone, we are back with the chicken and garlic scape stir fry. That's what it looks like. Let's take a bite. It's a little hot. I'll show you these garlic scapes. They really held up. I thought they were going to kind of shrivel down, but they held up like asparagus. Kind of keep a crunch, which is nice. Let's get a little bit of This is really good. Like I said before though, I think I would like it equally as much with just straight up, like I'd use chicken stock in place of the water maybe, and a little bit of like a couple of tablespoons of coconut aminos, maybe keep that ingredient. But you might want to add garlic to it or something. But you don't need to, because the garlic scapes really do have quite a good flavor. It's kind of a cross between a green onion and garlic. Like it's just a different flavor than I've had before. It's quite good. So I hope that you guys like this one as much as we do, and we'll just see you in the next video. Thanks everybody.